The next one I want to talk about is Vuforia Expert Capture. So this is around capturing that expert knowledge and scaling that expertise out to the organization. Particularly useful for creation of standard operating procedures, SOPs. That takes a lot of time and effort to build. Quite often, if you've got very complex processes, you need your expert to be involved in that. And they don't really want to sit down and start documenting all of that stuff in Word or whatever it is that they do. So it's really around an easy way to capture that and build those SOPs much more quickly and scale them out to the organization. Okay, so for expert capture, it's really an ideal solution for those industrial enterprises for manufacturing, service, and training, where you don't have pre-existing assets to create those step-by-step instructions. Maybe you've got a piece of equipment that you built yourself, things like that. You've got either non-existent or very poor quality existing instructions, which I'm sure plenty of you have probably dealt with over the time. I know I have in previous roles. You don't have CAD data available, right? Maybe you're looking at a setup in a room where there's a number of different pieces of equipment from different vendors. You didn't design and build them, so you don't have CAD data for that, for those. And maybe you combine them together to create your own procedures. Okay. Or you've got really highly regulated standards for safety and compliance. You really need to make sure that is explained properly as you run through that. So really, Expert Capture is designed for really an ideal solution for these sorts of use cases. So just to show, again, another movie here to show an example of the idea of Expert Capture and how it can be used. We'll just show this video here to give you an overview of that.
Industrial manufacturers are expected to face millions of unfilled jobs in the next decade. Their ability to leverage existing resources and improve productivity has never been more important. Now is the time to evolve how workers access and learn critical information, to reduce scrap, rework, and training cost, and save manufacturers tens of millions of dollars a year. That's why we've created Vuforia Expert Capture. It's the fastest, easiest way to create powerful step-by-step instructions that help frontline workers get their jobs done quickly and accurately. Knowledge is easily recorded without the need for existing assets or causing disruption to high-value workers, and used to create step-by-step instructions highlighting safety precautions and relevant locations. Content is easily fine-tuned, published, and managed through a secure SaaS-based environment and automatically optimized for viewing on Microsoft HoloLens, RealWear HMT1, and mobile devices. Augmented instructions are easily accessed by new or reassigned workers, increasing efficiency, accuracy, and safety. New skills are learned on the job, cutting training time and costs. Safety warnings are presented at the moment they're relevant, reducing the risk of injury. Workers follow location markers to successfully complete the required steps. Each step of the procedure can be documented and analyzed to improve efficiency and compliance. Vuforia Expert Capture from PTC. Transforming the way manufacturers reduce waste and enable a safer, more productive workforce.
All right. So just to, I guess, summarize that, AR is a really incredible technology that offers real value to business, and particularly, in a world where a remote workforce has become the new normal. AR is a technology whose time has come. That ability to provide that information remotely and assist those users is important now more than ever before. So, don't take our word for it around the PTC solutions. This is from industry analysts, Greenlight Insights, ABI Research, Technology, PSC out of Europe, looking at PTC's AR solutions, and PTC has been consistently rated as having the strongest AR solutions out there for the industrial users.